Hello everyone, hope you are all well today or this evening, whichever it is where you are when you are watching this. Going to do a double unboxing today, a couple of Seikos that are new into the channel that I am going to be posting reviews for soon, but I figured we just open these up and let you guys see what we have in store for you. So we're going to open this one first. I'm actually not sure which watch is in which box, as I've kind of taken them out of the outer box at this point. So let's open these up and see what's inside of each. It's like Christmas right here at Just Watch. So a nice Seiko box there. Wow, quite the box set. So you have your booklets and all that stuff down inside there. Some nice paper type stuff. And then really nice, looks like Seiko has upped their game a bit on the inner box. And we have, okay, so this is the PADI Turtle. This is the Seiko SRPC41J1 PADI version Mini-Turtle. And there it is. And this one, just like all of the PADI versions that come on a silicone strap, has a really nice blue silicone strap. And it's SRPC41J1. So this features 200 meter water resistance and the caliber 4R35 movement. And it looks like it's really well wrapped in plastic here. Let's see if we can get that open with these gloves on. My unboxing videos usually turn into a disaster, so we'll see how this one goes. So there it is. It is not running yet. So you have the cool little Cyclops magnifier. It looks like it stopped just before midnight. And see if we can turn the light a little bit so you can see that really cool wave pattern on the dial. And of course, just like all the PADIs, wow, really nice bezel. And just like all of the PADIs, it has the Pepsi color bezel and the red minute hand. You can see just that little bit of movement has the movement up and running too. You see we're setting some time here. I really like that the way they applied the minute markers, the index markers on this as well. And then of course your classic Seiko case back with the tsunami wave, and something that's really the big departure for Seiko in the Turtle line is the crown being at the 3 o'clock position. And there are your PADI tags, your Seiko marked bezel, or your Seiko marked clasps. And the strap has a nice bit of snap to it, which I think will be really comfortable to wear. I think I'm going to run this on a NATO too to see how that feels. Really cool. I'm just going to unscrew the crown here. Yeah, everything feels good there. Let's actually pop it out and just set the time so it clicks over. Yeah, see, it clicked right over at midnight, so that's good. We'll just come around to 10:10 just for aesthetic purposes, and we'll move on to the next. Yeah, everything feels good, and most importantly, everything is aligned good. So your alignment on the bezel and on the chapter ring is all right on the money. So I'm really glad to see that. You know, I've had some bad luck with Seiko QC lately, so it's good to see that they got it right on this one. Let's put this back on the pillow. Really attractive box from Seiko here with this piece too. So really nice job there. And then the second one, this is a JDM model that came from my friend Kenta at japanonline.com. I purchased it. It's not this is not a sponsored content video or anything that he sent me. This is a watch that I personally wanted to check out. And outer box. Booklets and your more normal gray Seiko box with the silver. And then inside there is, wow, look at that. So this is the Look at that blue dial. This is the Blue Coral Sumo. This is the SBDC 069 Blue Coral. This one features a 6R15 movement, 200 meter water resistant Harlex crystal. And wow, that bezel is right on the money. That is so nice. This is how my first Sumo that I tested. If you guys go back through my Seiko playlist, you'll see that I recently tested a turtle and there were some issues with the bezel. And actually, the alignment looks pretty good. The bezel is off to the 11 o'clock, just a tiny fraction there at the top, but the chapter ring looks like it's spot on. Just give you guys a look at the rest of this too. So twin trigger deployment, typical stamped Seiko stuff here. So your pretty typical Seiko clasp. External micro adjust, of course, with a pin tool, which is always good. I don't mind that at all. There's your closure. And then I love the case on this watch. I think Seiko did a really nice job on the case design here. And let's see where we're at with this. Date change feels good. Time change feels nice and solid. Yeah, everything feels good there. Let's come around to 1010 on this one as well. And I'm going to give you guys a wrist shot with both these. I really love the handset that Seiko gives us. Either way, let's close that up. I really love the handset that Seiko gives us on this watch. It's one of my favorite Seiko dive watch handsets, I should say. So let's try these on and see how they feel. So I'm still wearing the Jeanalt Ocean Rover too. Like I said, I really like this watch quite a bit, and it has been just really good. It's performing really well. It's super comfortable. I really like the look of the watch. So let's get this on the wrist, give you guys a look. Of course, I did not size anything or do anything like that yet, so it looks great with my blue sweater. So there it is on the wrist, and not too bad as far as the size goes too. The Sumo is a 45 millimeter, but it does not wear that big to me, and it doesn't look that big, and it sits nice and flat on the wrist, which I appreciate too. I really like how this wears, and I really love that blue with just a touch of yellow. Good stuff there from Seiko. So there's the Sumo. And then let's try this puppy on. I'm just going to pull this instead of trying to buckle it with my gloves on so you guys can see. And really nice size here. I think this is a 40 millimeter, I want to say, 39 or 40. I did not look at the specs before. I apologize for not looking at the specs before time. But you can see it's a really nice size. It sits nice and low. And it's really short lug to lug. So the length on this is really short. It looks like about 48 millimeters or so. So people with really small wrists can wear this one without a problem, I am sure. So there is the PADI Mini-Turltle on the wrist. So that's it for the unboxing for these two pieces. Give you guys a look at both together. Like I said, I really like both of these pieces. Looking forward to getting some wrist time with these and reviewing them. And we will post up reviews for both of these pieces very soon, so stay tuned to the channel. All right, everybody, thank you for tuning in, for giving us a few minutes of your time today, for checking these out. I appreciate everybody's likes and comments and subscription and all that. If you like the content, please do hit the subscribe button and also that bell notification so that you know when we have a new issue coming out. All right, everybody, that is it for now. Thank you again for tuning in. We'll be back soon.